guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the pecan pie shake. So I'm starting with pralines and cream, and I'm doing 2 scoops. And 2 scoops of our vanilla PDM. Add in some butter extract, some pecan, and then some cheesecake pudding mix. Blend it. And I'm going to put some crushed up graham crackers in the bottom of the cup. Add some caramel around the rim. And add the shake, and then I'm going to top it with some whipped cream and graham cracker and pecan. That's how you make the pecan pie shake. Thanks for watching.